Welcome back to KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media, episode 33. We're reading Changamire Dombo The Legend by Philip Tinashe Gwatidzo. Chapter 1. He knelt on the hill, looked intensely into the ground and uttered words for a few minutes. Then he pulled out his spear and, using the sharp end, slit the palm of his hand. He held his fist towards the ground. The men looked up and saw the skies turn gray. The clouds gathered as their king knelt on the hill, drawing royal blood for the grounds. With the slit hand, Dombo picked up a fistful of soil. He then lifted his hand towards the gray skies and announced their arrival. Great ones, warriors of the world beyond, we are ready. Slowly letting loose, the soil in his palm fell back onto the ground, creating a haze of dust which the king stared into intensely until the last bit of soil hit the ground. As the dust cleared, Changamire Dombo towered up on the hill. He turned back to his army and said, "They are here, men. The great warriors are here with us today. They have shown themselves. They approve of this battle and they join us today, for it is time. It is time for the Roji to rise, for the Roji to become the guardians of what Mwari Mukuru Kuru has blessed our people with." Tune in tomorrow for more KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. Thank you.